Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about factors, primes, and composite numbers. And I'll be going to introduce to you also yung prime factorization method at saka yung ladder method. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section and finally, please do not skip the ads in this video. Thank you. And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about factors, primes, and composite numbers, introducing prime factorization method, ladder method, and sieve of Eratosthenes. Now, let's talk about product. Pag sinabing product is an answer to a multiplication problem. So, as you can see, we have 7 times 8. Yung product nila is 56. Yun ang tinatawag natin product. Yung answer doon sa multiplication na ginawa natin. Okay? Now, on the other hand, we have this what we call factor. A factor, a number that is multiplied by another number to give a product. So, here, kung nakikita ninyo, yung factors natin dito ay yung 7 at yung 8. Okay? These are the factors of 56. No? Isa sa mga factor ng 56 ay 8. Bakit siya naging factor ni 56? Kasi pwede mong i-divide si 56 kay 8. Pwede mong i-divide si 56 kay 7. So, yun ang tinatawag nating factors. Okay? So, ayan, yan dalawang yan. Actually, maraming factors ang 56, no? Marami siyang factors. Hindi lamang 7 times 8, no? Pwede din siyang 56 times 1, another factor yon. So, mamaya tutukuyin natin kapag marami bang factors ang isang number, ano ang tawag sa kanya. Kapag naman isa lang yung factor niya, ano ang tawag doon sa number na yon. Okay. Now, a number that divides evenly into another is what we call the factor naman. So, halimbawa dito, um, okay, ang factor ng 56 ay 8. Bakit siya naging factor? Kasi divisible siya. Ibig sabihin nun, pwede mong i-divide si 56 kay 8 at ang makukuha mo dapat answer ay whole number. Whole number, walang decimal point. Kapag ganon, ang number na dinivide mo dito sa 56, kung ano man yon, is the factor. It's the factor of that number, no? So, halimbawa, ito nga, 56. Kapag dinivide ko siya kay 8, at ang nakakuha ko ng 7, at ang 7 ay whole number, therefore, 8 is the factor of 56. Halimbawa, 56 divided by 1 is equal to 56, tama? So, yung 1, factor siya ni 56. Okay? Factor siya ni 56. Kasi pwede kong i-divide si 56 kay 1. Ganon ang factor. No? Na base sa definition, a number that divides evenly into another, into one another. So, halimbawa dito, what are the factors? So, we have 6 times 7 equals 42. So, yung factors ng factors nito ng 42 ay 6 and 7. Okay? Next, another. Dito naman, ang factors ng 63 ay 7 and 9. Ibig sabihin, pag dinivide ko si 63 kay 7, ang makukuha ko ay 9. O kapag dinivide ko si 63 kay 9, ang makukuha ko ay 7. Still, whole number sila. So, ibig sabihin, etong mga numbers na ito, sila yung mga factors, no, ng ating nakuhang product dito sa portion na ito. So, yan yung mga factors nila. Okay? Ayan. So, but then again, just like what I've said, dalawa lang lamang yan sa mga factors nila. So, ibig sabihin, meron pang ibang mga factors itong mga numbers na to. Okay? Ang factors, ito yung pag dinivide mo yung number na ito dun sa isang number, ang makukuha mo is whole number. So, masasabi mong factor siya. Factors, kapag pinag-multiply mo yung number at yung product na nakuha mo, ay yung dalawang number na yon ay magiging factors. Okay? Itong dalawang number na to ay magiging factors ng product. Okay? Now, Another, 6 times 7 equals 42. Okay. Dito, ang factors dito ay 6 at saka 7. Okay, kasi kahit isa dyan sa mga yan, dinivide ko sa 42, makakakuha ako ng whole number. So, ang factors ay 6 and 7, ang product ay 42. 63 divided by 9 equals 7. Ang 9 ay isa sa mga factors ng 63. Paano ko nasabi yon? Kasi yung quotient nila ay whole number, which is 7. So, kapag kinuha ko yung product ng 7 tsaka 9, ang makukuha ko ay 63. Then, yung 9 at ang 7 ay mga factors ng 63. So, we have 7 and 9, the product is 63. And 8 times 5, 5 and 8, the product is 40. So, yung ilan sa mga factors ng 40 ay 8 at saka 5. Ulitin ko, ang factors, ito yung product, no, ng dalawang numbers or yung number na pwede mong i-divide dun sa isang malaking number at yung makukuha mo ay whole number. Hindi siya decimal, hindi siya fraction. Okay? So, masasabi mong factors yung number na yon or factor siya nung isang malaking number na sinasabi ko kanina. Okay. Now, bakit kailangan nating intindihin yung factor? Kasi mahalaga ang factor sa tinatawag nating prime number and composite number. Start natin sa prime number. Sa prime number, a number that has only two factors, itself and 1. So, masasabi natin na yung number ay prime kapag yung factors niya ay dalawa lang. Yung sarili niya at yung 1. Okay? Halimbawa, 7. Mag-isip ka nga ng number na pwede kong i-divide sa 7. Ang number lang na pwede kong i-divide sa 7 para makakuha ko ng whole number is yung 1. Tama? Kasi 7 divide 1 is 7. Wala na akong maisip pang ibang number. Therefore, yung factors ng prime number na 7 ay yung 7 itself at yung 1. Since dalawa lang ang factors niya, masasabi ko ngayon na ang 7 ay prime number because the only numbers that will divide into it evenly are 1 and 7. So, 1 at saka 7 lang ang pwede. I hope nakuha nyo. Ganon natin pwedeng masabi na ang number ay prime kapag siya ay mayroon lamang dalawang factors, itself at yung 1. Examples of prime numbers. We have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. Mga examples lang to. Maraming prime numbers, pero ito ang mga example. Specific note, 1 is not a prime number. I repeat, 1 is not a prime number. 2 is a prime number. Okay? Because the factors of 2 is 2 and 1. Wala na akong ibang maisip pa. Sa 3, prime number din yan. 5, 7, 11, 13, 12, and 19. Mga prime numbers sila. Okay? So, therefore, 1 is not a prime number. Another thing yun, no, that we need to understand that 1 is not a prime number, it is also not a composite number. Later on, ipapaliwanag ko kung bakit hindi siya pwedeng maging prime at hindi rin siya pwedeng maging composite. Now, let me introduce to you the sieve of Eratosthenes. Sa sieve of Eratosthenes, makikita natin dito yung from 1 to 100, yung mga prime numbers. So, we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 47, 53, 59, 61, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. Itong mga numbers na nabanggit ko ay mga prime numbers. Ibig sabihin, divisible lang sila sa kanilang sarili at sa 1. Okay? Wala nang iba. Halimbawa, ang 89. Ang 89, pag dinivide ko sa 1, ang makukuha mo ay 89. So, dalawang numbers lang ang pwedeng i-divide sa 9. Yung sarili niya at yung 1. Okay. Now, composite number. A composite number that has more than 2 factors. So, pag mas marami siyang factors, composite number. Halimbawa, ang 8. Ano-ano ang mga factors ng 8? Ito yung 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8. So, kung nakikita ninyo sa ating example, okay, mayroong apat na factors ang 8. Yung 1, yung sarili niya, yung 2, pwede ko siyang i-divide by 2, pwede kong i-divide by 4 ang 8. Ibig sabihin, meron siyang mas marami sa dalawang factors. Kaya kino-consider natin ang 8 na composite number. So, halimbawa ng mga composite number ay 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, and 15. Take note that every whole number from 2 on is either composite or prime. So, lahat daw ng number starting sa number 2 ay maaaring composite or prime. So, 2. Ang 2 ay prime number. Okay? Kasi itself lang yung divisibility niya at saka 1. Another, after ng 2 ay 3. Ang 3 ay either composite or prime. Ano siya? It's a prime. Ang 4, composite. Ang 5, prime. Ang 6, composite. Ang 7, prime. Ang 8, composite. Ang 9, composite. Ang 10, composite. So, ang sinasabi lang dito is lahat ng numbers starting 2, 1 to sawa na, ha? 1 million to 10 million to billions. Lahat ng numbers na yon, it's either composite or prime. No? Maaring composite sila or prime, but not both. Hindi sila pwede maging both prime and composite. Now, our lonely one. Sabi ko kanina, bakit ang 1 is neither prime nor composite? It is not prime because it does not have exactly two different factors. It is not composite because it does not have more than two factors. I repeat, ang 1 ay tinatawag nating composite kasi, ay hindi siya composite kasi wala siyang more than two factors. Okay? Sabihin na natin 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Okay? So, hanggang doon lang siya. It has no more than two factors. Pangalawa, ang prime, ang 1 ay hindi rin prime dahil it does not have exactly two different factors. Halos isa lang. No? Isang itsura lang ang makikita natin, which is 1. Okay? Kaya hindi siya prime, hindi siya composite. Okay? So, yun ang reason kaya ang 1 ay neither prime nor composite number. Now, let me introduce to you the prime factorization method. It is a way to write a composite number as the product of prime factors. So, pag sinabing prime factorization, ito yung kukunin natin, okay, yung factors ng isang composite number until such time na makuha natin yung pinaka-prime factors niya. Ulitin ko, ang prime factorization, ito yung kukunin natin yung factors ng composite number until such time na prime factors na lang yung matitira sa kanya. Okay. Halimbawa, 2 times 2 times 3 equals 12. Tama? So, pag sinulat ko yan, maaari kong isulat na 2 squared, meron siyang kulang, 2 squared times 3 equals 12. Bakit squared? Kasi dalawa yung 2 na nandito. So, 2 squared times 3 equals 12. Ang tawag dito sa process na yan ay prime factorization. Mamaya ipapakita ko yung 3 method na sa paggawa ng prime factorization. Okay, may squared pala siya. Now, how to do prime factorization using factor 3? Step 1, start with a composite number. So, halimbawa, we have 48. Number 48 ang ating number. Second, write down the multiplication problem that equals this number or any pair of factors of this number. So, mag-isip nga kayo ng factors ng 48. Ano yung mga factors na naiisip mo kapag sinabing 48? So, dito, nilagay ko is 6 times 8. Ito yung mga factors ng 48. Third step, find the factors of this. So, sa 6, ang factors natin na naiisip ko is, ano yung naiisip niya? 2 and 3. How about sa 8? That is 2 times 4, tama? Pero kapag pinag-multiply ko pa rin yung apat na yan, 48 pa rin ang makukuha ko. Find factors of this number until all factors are prime number. Kung nakikita nyo, 2, 3, 2 are prime numbers. Pero yung 4, composite. So, kailangan pa natin siyang i-break down. So, magiging 2 times 2. So, nakikita nyo, apat na yung 2 natin at meron tayong isang 3. Write the number from least to greatest. So, we will start with 2. So, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 3. Still, pag pinag-multiply mo yan, 48 pa rin ang makukuha natin. Count how many numbers are the same and write exponent for them. So, kung nakikita nyo, ilang 2 meron tayo sa ating mga nabuong prime from the composite number 48. So, mayroon tayong 4. Okay? Mayroon tayong 4 na 2. So, maglalagay tayo ng 2 raised to 4 times meron tayong isang 3 equals 48. Okay. So, find the prime factors of 4. Halimbawa, so ano ba yung mga factors nito? We have 2 times 2. Therefore, that is what we call the prime factorization. And prime factorization in exponential form, since dalawang 2 yan, pwede natin isulat na 2 squared is equal to 4. That is prime factorization. Ito, ang tawag dito ay tree method. Para siyang puno. Okay? Then 6. How about 6? What are the factors of 6? I'm thinking about 2 and 3 equals 6. Therefore, that is the prime factorization and that is the factors. Yun yung mga factors ng 6. Okay? Meron pa ba? Wala na kasi ang 2 naging prime na. Ang 3 prime na yan. So, hindi na sila pwedeng i-down pa, no? Hindi na tayo pwede mag-create ng another arrow sa 3 at saka sa 2. 27. I'm thinking about 3 and 9. Okay. And then yung 9, pwede pa natin i-break down into 3 times 3. So, maaaring 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. Ang tawag dito ay prime factorization. Kapag ginawa natin siya na exponent, ang tawag dun is prime factorization in exponential form. So, ilang 3 ang nakikita mo? 3. So, maglalagay tayo ng 3 cubed equals 27. Another, 12. So, ang naiisip kong factors ng 12 ay 2 and 6. Pero ang 6, composite pa rin siya. So, gawin natin siyang prime. Meron tayong 2 and 3. So, dalawa na yung 2, isang 3. So, that is prime factorization. Gawin natin siyang exponential form. May dalawang 2, so that is 2 squared times 3 equals 12. 18. So, we have 2 times 9. Ang 9 ay composite pa rin. So, i-break down natin into 3 times 3. And this is what we call the prime factorization. Ngayon, meron tayong dalawang 3. So, gagawin natin siyang exponential form and that is 2 times 3 squared equals 18. Now, tapos na tayo sa 3 method ng prime factorization method. Dumako tayo sa ibang way ng pagkuha ng factors ng number. Okay? At ang tawag dito ay tinatawag nating ladder method. Paano naman yung ladder method? Step 1, write down any composite number. So, this is a composite number. Number 18 is a composite number. Second, start dividing by the prime. Since ang 18 ay divisible by 2, okay, start with 2. Okay? And since 2 is a prime number naman, so start with 2. It is a composite number. If the composite number is divisible by 2, write it on the left of the L and write the other factor below the original composite number. If not, check if the number is evenly divisible by 3, 5, etc. Kung hindi daw siya divisible by 2, pwede mo siyang i-check by 3. Or kung hindi naman, by 5. Basta yung mga prime numbers. Okay? Now, since 18 ay divisible by 2, i-divide natin siya by 2 by putting an L shape here at maglalagay tayo ng 2 dito. Ayan. And then 2 divide 18 is 9. So ilalagay natin siya sa ilalim. Ngayon, ang 9, anong prime number ang pwede kong i-divide sa 9? Tama. Pwede ko siyang i-divide by 3. So check the factors. If they are prime, proceed to step 6. If not, continue the process. So continue dividing the number on the next rung of the ladder by the prime number start with 2. And then step 5, repeat this process until the number on the next rung of the ladder is prime. So parang continuous lang siya hanggat hindi natin nakukuha yung answer natin dito sa ilalim na prime number, hindi tayo titigil. So pwede nating i-divide by 3 yung 9, tama? So ang answer ay 3. Since ang answer dito sa last part ay 3, ibig sabihin, ito na yung pinaka-last number. Kasi composite na yung nakuha natin. So, meron na tayong 2, 3, and 3. Okay? So, kukunin natin yung mga yan. Write the prime factorization in exponential form. Bibilangin lang natin kung ilang 3 meron tayo at ilang 2. So, meron tayong dalawang 3. So, isusulat natin yan into a, this is a prime factorization at gagawin natin siyang exponential form. So, we have 2 times 3 squared. At yun na yung factors, no, ng 18. Okay, using ladder method. Another number, 56. Since ang 56 ay divisible by the prime number 2, pwede ko siyang i-divide by 2. And then 2 divided 56 is 28. Ang 28 ay divisible din by 2, so i-divide ko ulit siya by 2. So makukuha ko ay 14. Still, it is divisible by 2. So, ang makukuha ko ay 7. And then, isulat natin sila as prime factorization. So, ilang 2 at ilang 7. Meron tayong tatlong 2 at isang 7. In exponential form, magiging 2 cubed times 7. So, yun ang prime factors or factors ng number na 56. Meron siyang tatlong 2 at isang 7. Na kapag pinag-multiply ang apat na yon, ang makukuha ko ay 56. So that's all about our lesson on the factors, primes, and composite numbers. Introducing the prime factorization method, which is the ladder method and the tree method, and also introducing the sieve of Eratosthenes. With that, hopefully you learned something from this lesson, and good day everyone.